This is Yasmeen and I welcome you to hyderabadwala.com. Today I'll show you how to make dry vegetable Manchurian. Add 1 cup grated carrot to a bowl. Add 1½ cup grated or shredded cabbage. Add ½ cup chopped white spring onions. Add 1/4 cup thinly diced beans. Add 1/4 cup thinly diced capsicum. Add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 3/4 teaspoon salt. 3/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon soya sauce. 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour or maida. Add 5 tablespoons cornflour. Mix well and keep aside. Add oil for frying, and when the oil is hot, make medium-sized balls out of the mixture and lower into the hot oil. When the Manchurian balls appear dark brown and firm, remove and keep aside. If the balls appear soggy, fry again. Add 3 tablespoons oil to another pan. Add 1½ teaspoon diced garlic, 1½ teaspoon diced ginger. Add ½ cup chopped green spring onions, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander. Add 1 whole green chili thinly diced. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1½ teaspoon red chili sauce, 3/4 teaspoon green chili sauce. Add 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Add few pinches red food color, and this is optional. Mix 1 tablespoon cornflour in ½ cup of water. Add this cornflour mix to the pan while stirring continuously. Add fried Manchurian balls. Mix well as the gravy thickens. Switch off the flame and garnish with chopped green spring onions and chopped coriander. Dry vegetable Manchurian is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment and like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.